Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to create a simple but powerful automation using IFTTT. So let's start by opening your browser and searching ifttt.com. Then you'll be directed to this page. So before we dive into the actual steps, let's take a quick moment to talk about what IFTTT is. IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. It's a free web-based platform that allows different apps, services, and devices to work together automatically. Basically, it connects your favorite tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, Instagram, smart devices, and more, so that they can perform actions for you without needing manual input. For example, you can set it up so that every time you upload a photo on Instagram, it automatically saves to your Google Drive. The best part, it saves you time, keeps you organized, and makes your digital life much easier. Now that we understand what IFTTT is and how it works, let's go ahead and log in or sign up for an account. If you already have an account, just click Sign In at the top right corner. But if you're new to IFTTT, click Get Started and you can create your account using Google, Apple, and Facebook. In my case, I will be signing up using my Google account. So I'm choosing this one. Then IFTTT will show you their subscription plans. And this will be the inclusions. But now I will be using Try It Free. Just don't click the Try It Free button because it will just ask your card number. So just go to the top right corner of your screen and click Not Now. And now you're looking at the main dashboard of IFTTT. This is where you can explore different applets, manage your automations, and create your custom ones. So let's start by clicking this Create button. Earlier, I mentioned that IFTTT stands for If This, Then That. And now you're actually seeing how it works in action. We start with the If This part. So this is the trigger, meaning it's the event that starts the automation. For example, if you choose, if I post a photo on Instagram, that action will trigger whatever you set next. Like telling IFTTT, when this happens, do something about it. So first, we'll choose the service or app where the trigger will come from. These things you're seeing right now, these are what we call applets. Each applet is an automation that connects two or more services to work together. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here under different categories. You can explore automations for social media, smart home devices, but for this tutorial, I will be using Facebook since it's one of the most commonly used platforms we interact with every day. After selecting our applet for the If This part, trigger options based on that service. Any new post by you in area, new status message by you, new status message by you with hashtag, new link post by you, new link post by you with hashtag, new photo post by you, new photo post by you with hashtag, new photo post by you in area, you are tagged in a photo, and lastly, your profile changes. So now I'll be choosing new photo post by you. This trigger fires every time you post a new photo on Facebook. So connect service. So as you can see, IFTTT wants you to log in your Facebook account. So just put your password. After you log in your Facebook account, you'll be taken straight to this screen. This means your Facebook is now connected to IFTTT and you can start using it as a trigger for your automation. Then click trigger. So we just finished our If This part and now let's move on to Then That part. So click add and just like earlier, you'll be allowed to choose whatever you want from here. So maybe I will use Gmail. Let's browse for more social media. For now, I will be choosing TikTok. So upload video draft. Upload a video to your drafts on TikTok where you can then create and publish a post. Ingredient link from the trigger or query must be a video file and not a page that hosts a video. Maximum allowed video is 4 gigabytes. So let's connect our TikTok. So here, this is my TikTok account. Then create action. You will then given a chance to review. So or if this part is Facebook, new photo post by you, connected on TikTok, upload video draft. So continue. So if new photo post by Ford Bohol Jade Albert, this is my Facebook account. Then upload a video draft to TikTok. Then finish. So just like that, it's now connected. Your automation is ready to go. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial on creating automations using IFTTT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day and see you for the next one.